Nakajing ban bana ka Sorkar India ling bagatnat Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change ba anam dan kam shu ban penlong gi Jingshai pait ba leni ka public hearing ban ti bat khlong gi mat bo khando ko mu uranium at kiwe lala ban sakhi ya jingmi shibon ki jing persha na ki babon ki liang nakajing sau khya halor kan ne nakaliang umentri rang ba ka jillaw konrad ke sangma ulong ba ka Sorkar jilla ka Ïeng scam ban persha ya jingti uranium haba kren chikilat pathai khubwar ha ka lai phau tereng unai lor 8000% ulong banaka liang ka Sorkar jilla kan sa panjing pensyai na ka Sorkar India halor ka ne bawla ai ru ka jingkular ba ka Sorkar ka Ïeng ban yada ya ka jilla na ka nu ka kam ka balong persha.
I stand very clear that our people and our community and stakeholders, we have always stated, even as a government, that we are not in favor of mining of uranium. We are very, very, very clear on that. And we've made this statement very openly, and I'm making it open now also. Number two, I've not gone through the entire details of what the notification. In general, I have, but these are very serious matters, and hence it requires proper legal scrutiny. So we are going through that. And based on what we see, we will seek clarification from Government of India. And as and when required, I will take up the matter with Government of India at different levels and ensure that the interest of our people is protected. So therefore, this is a responsibility of our government, and if we find anywhere that there is any particular law or any particular notification that goes against the interests of our people, it is a duty of the government to take up that matter with the center. And I can assure you and assure the people of the state that we will be standing with the people on this issue, and we will take up the matter once we have seen the entire legal aspect of it and the impact of this. And once we are clear, we will move to Delhi, and if necessary, as I said, we'll take up the matter at the highest level.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya